Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm starting a new series on this channel known as Digital Electronics and Experiments. This whole series is based on multiple experiments to prove some concept of digital electronics like logic gates or something like that. But for the first video of this series, I was planning to clear the basic concepts like what is digital electronics, what are the different types of logic gates, and what are the electronic components we are going to use in the simulator, something like that. And I also mentioned some digital electronic devices we use in our daily life basis. So let's move forward and clear the concept of what is digital electronics. The basic information I can get on internet related to digital electronics is digital electronic is a field of electronics involving the study of digital signals and the engineering of devices that use or produce them. This is in contrast to analog electronics and analog signals. In basic terms, digital electronics deals with ones and zeros, or you can say 5 volt or 0 volt, or when you use Arduino or some other programming, you given digital output as high or low. So altogether, zeros is basically is a representation of low or 0 volt, and ones is a representation of 5 volt or high. But digital electronic is just not about voltage, it is all about logics. So logic gates are the basic building block of any digital system. It is an electronic circuit having one or more than one input and only one output. The relationship between the input and the output is based on certain logic. Based on this, logic gates are named as AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, etc. There are multiple logic gates which we'll be using for experimentation, and at the moment I don't think so we need to understand the logic gates at the moment, like AND gate, OR gate, or NOT gate, anything like that. I'll just tell you that in the experimentation we will be using logic gate, we'll be using logic gate and the truth table. So our main aim is to use the input table to prove it is giving you the output as shown on the table. Okay, so it will be easier to see when we actually start doing the experimentation. And we are not only going to use just the logic gate, we will be making a transistor level circuit, and we will also experiment this whole input and output thing on that circuit as well. So moving forward, there are components. Okay, in digital electronics or any electronics we use components. These components are basically divided into two different categories. First one is active components and second one is passive components. In active components there are transistors and diodes, you can say, and logic gates is a combination of transistors and diode in a way. So logic gates is also fall under the active component category. Okay, passive components. In passive components we have capacitors, inductors, switch, battery, resistors. These are all the passive components. But for the examples of digital electronic devices which everyone uses is basically a smartphone, a digital camera, your computer, then your digital audio system. These all are a digital electronic devices. All the experiments will be conducted in this simulator. This simulator is very good in terms of representing, showing the value, the graph, and the demonstration, as well as the ease to use the simulator. Okay, this is a web-based simulator, so you don't have to download. You can just go to the website and you can use it. It is free of cost. You don't have to pay a penny for this. So guys, this is pretty much it. I hope you guys understood what I was trying to explain, and all the links for this website will be in the description box below. If you have any suggestion or if you have any questions regarding the experiments or what I'm gonna conduct or whatever, you can just drop your question in the comment box down below. Okay, I hope you guys liked it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.